Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix microphone not working on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. First, let's make sure that we are the ones who are recording. What do I mean by this? Well, all you want to do is simply expand your control center and disable your Bluetooth. Sometimes we think that our microphone is not working, while in reality, our Bluetooth device is actually responsible for the microphone. So, if we disable our Bluetooth, we disable our connection with, for example, our headphones, and our microphone via our phone is the one actually recording now. But let's say you already ruled that out, and it's still not working. Then I would simply advise you to clean the pot. Now, how do you clean it? Definitely with not something metallic. Whenever you try to use some sort of needle, there is a very high chance that you will actually damage your microphone port. So instead, I would advise you to use, for example, woodpick or soft toothbrush to avoid any kind of damage. After you have done that, I would also advise you to simply go to your recorder, give it all the permissions it needs, and simply record some things. Now, whenever we are talking about, we will later basically record and hear it back. So we can now talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. It doesn't really matter what we are saying. Let's save it. And now we could potentially listen back to it. And thanks to this recording, we can now simply do a nice diagnostic test. Is the microphone faulting? Is it some sort of low? Maybe it has some other glitches that you can't really describe accurately. Using that information, you can now search for very specific issues. For example, if my microphone would be faulting, I will search in the Google or anything else, faulting microphone. Or bad microphone, low microphone, weird microphone quality, something like that. Since these videos are basically, I want to show you how to perform a diagnostic test yourself. Though, if you have no microphone access at all, and your application isn't actually trying to get this access, you can try to give it to it. You can do that by going to settings. You want to scroll down, but we are looking for something very specific called security and privacy. Here we can scroll down into permission manager, and if we scroll down we have microphone. As you can see, no application is allowed to use microphone all the time, which is good. And here is the list of current applications that do have its access. If you have troubles, for example in Discord, you want to make sure that Discord has access to your microphone, and so every other application that you have other issues with. However, if it's still not working and the microphone somehow is still broken, I'm afraid that this is all I can help you or show you. Then I would simply advise you to go into some sort of phone workshop, and then they will be able to help you with fixing your microphone, hopefully. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.